Hi there, entrepreneurs and business builders. Are you struggling to create a consistent, scalable agency that generates $10,000 per month in recurring revenue? Or struggling to set up your GoHighLevel account and get running? And you are tired of unpredictable income, overwhelmed by complex marketing tools, feeling stuck trying to scale your agency? Many entrepreneurs, just like you, are battling these exact challenges every single day. You're working hard, but something is missing. A proven system that truly transforms your business model. Let's talk about what's possible. Imagine a world where you have a predictable $10,000 monthly revenue stream. Your agency runs smoothly with minimal day-to-day management. You are using the same top performing tools other agencies use. Take a look at industry-leading platforms like ClickFunnels, where the monthly pricing is anywhere between $100 to $500, with limited features, revenue-sharing models, and now compare that to our approach with GoHighLevel. Full revenue retention, comprehensive training, and no revenue sharing. So, do not forget to sign up using the link for a 30 days free trial of GoHighLevel given in the resources section, and if you do not find, ask me in the Q&A section. And when you do so, I'll give you access to $1,000 worth of premium courses on how to grow and scale your agency. Along with that, you also get access to our premium community membership and weekly live coaching calls. Remember, this isn't just another course. This is your blueprint to building the agency of your dreams. Are you ready to transform your business and your life? Let's get started. Remember, the only thing standing between you and a $10,000 monthly recurring revenue is the knowledge and the system I'm about to share with you. Don't miss this opportunity. I'll see you inside.